Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to be going over the best steps you should take before you start investing. And before we get into all that though, I just want to say a major thank you to everyone who commented on my video, who shared my last video, and just genuinely watched the last video I made on Instagram. It really helped me out, and also to the people that suggested how I can improve on future videos and also future video ideas. That really helped a ton as well, and it's really motivating me to keep making more content on this platform. So thank you all for that. And essentially I wanted to make this video because there are a lot of people that DM me all the time about like how they should invest and where they should invest. And essentially there's some steps you should take before you start investing to help best set you up for success on your investing strategy and your journey overall. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial expert, just a guy making videos and that does research on this stuff all the time, but definitely not an expert. So do what you will with this information and be sure to do your own research as well, so that way you can be best set up for investing. So essentially the first step you want to do before you start investing is to pay off any high interest debt. So that's credit cards, car loans, personal loans, anything that's really over 10% interest. Because if you don't, it's really pointless to start investing because investing, even with compound interest, it averages about 10 to 12%. So your interest rate on your credit cards or anything else is basically going to eat away at all of those earnings. So you're definitely going to want to pay that off first. The average American has about $8,000 in credit card debt, so you're really going to want to knock those out right away. And if you need any help with that, you could DM me, and also watch out for future videos on that. Pay off all that debt first, and that'll be a huge step in your investing strategy. And the second thing you want to do after you paid off all your high interest debt is to basically start building your emergency fund. So you can start small and then build your way up. But essentially, $1,000 emergency fund is the minimum amount you're going to want to have, just because most Americans are living paycheck to paycheck and they can't even cover a $1,000 expense. So you having $1,000 saved up already and putting that into a savings account just for emergencies only is going to make you way far ahead of a lot of Americans out there. So just make sure you start off with 1,000 and then eventually build your way up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses if you can. But that's definitely a good start before you start investing. So just make sure you have $1,000 in your emergency fund. So this third step is definitely going to depend on where you are in life. So essentially, if you do want to become a homeowner in the future, then you're going to want to start saving up for a down payment for a home. You could aim for at least 10 to 20%, but usually this step takes a long time, so you might want to start investing before you get into this. It really depends on your income as well, but if you don't plan on becoming a homeowner, then you could just disregard this step. Moving on, the fourth step and the last one that you're going to want to do before you start investing is to educate yourself on all of the investing strategies out there, just because there's so many and there's going to be a lot of people trying to tell you to do different things. So do your own research, and I may do more videos to go more in detail on specific investing strategies that are out there. Really, just to keep it simple, most of the time you're just going to put all of your investing money into an index fund or into individual stocks that you truly believe in, and not try to get into all this other stuff so that you're not too confused. Again, this could be discussed in a later video. And essentially, these are pretty much the 4 steps you're going to want to do before you start investing. So hope this video helped you. Again, if you think I should be structuring these videos a little bit differently, or there's something you think I should add into these videos, then definitely leave a comment below or direct message me, and I'll be sure to implement them in future videos. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.